So question 2 looks like it's all about roots of polynomials. So there's x to the 4 minus x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x plus 4 equals 0 has roots alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. Without solving the equation, find the equations with integer coefficients that have the roots 3 alpha, 3 beta, 3 gamma, and 3 delta. So we've times everything by 3. So we could use the transformation that, okay, so if w is equal to 3 times x, okay, then we could say that x is equal to w over 3. And we're doing this because all the roots have tripled, so I've tripled my equation essentially. And if x is equal to w over 3, I can now sub that into my original equation. So I've got w over 3 to the power 4 minus w over 3 cubed minus 2 lots of w over 3 squared plus 3w over 3 plus 4 equals 0. And if I expand this, w to the 4 over 81 minus w cubed over 27 minus 2 w squared over 9 plus 3w over 3 plus 4 equals 0. We need to have integer coefficients, so I need to times everything by 81, it seems like in here, and if I do that I get w to the 4 minus 3w cubed minus 18w squared plus 81w plus 324 equals 0. And that's the end of that one. Okay, so that's part A. And that's a nice little trick that you can use to do transformations of roots like this. So the next one, it says the roots are now 2 alpha minus 1, 2 beta minus 1, etc. So we can say that w is equal to 2x minus 1. And rearrange again to make x the subject. This implies that x is equal to w plus 1 all over 2. And again, I sub this into my equation. So it's w plus 1 over 2 to the power 4 minus w plus 1 over 2 to the power 3 minus 2 times w plus 1 over 2 squared plus 3 times w plus 1 over 2 plus 4 equals 0. Now let's expand this. You can use the binomial expansion to do this. So it's w to the 4 plus 4w cubed plus 6w squared plus 4w plus 1 all over, don't forget to do 2 to the power 4 at the bottom as well, minus, and that's w cubed plus 3w squared plus 3w plus 1 over 2 cubed, which is 8, minus 2 lots of, and then it's w squared plus 2w plus 1 over 4 plus 3, so we just put that as 3 over 2 w plus 1 plus 4 equals 0. First of all, I'm going to get rid of the fractions. I'm going to times everything by 16. Just be careful with the minuses. So this is going to be w to the 4 plus 4w cubed plus 6w squared plus 4w plus 1. Here, it's minus this whole fraction. I'm going to times it by 16. There's an 8 at the bottom, so I'm going to times the top by 2. And there's a minus, so it's minus 2w cubed minus, and I'm timesing by minus 2 every term by minus 2. And then here it's 2 over 4, which is a half. I'm timesing by 16, so I'm going to times by 8. Half of 16 is 8. And again, there's a minus, so it's minus 8 w squared minus 16w minus 8, and plus 3 over 2 times by 16 is 24, so plus 24w plus 24 plus 64, as we had to times that by 16 as well. And if I simplify that, I've got w to the 4 plus 4w cubed, 2w cubed plus 2w cubed, 6w squared minus 6, so minus 8, minus 8w squared, minus 2, minus 18, plus 24, so plus 6w, 1, minus 9, plus 15, plus 64, so plus 17. And then that's that one.